Alright guys, I just got interrupted by my mom, but it's all good. I stopped the video and let's start coding again, alright? There's no excuse. So, let's just put it right here, alright? Bread breakfast. We're gonna put like, I don't even know, bread breakfast. What was the design sketch? Let's put sketch in here. Sketch 3D, alright. Bed breakfast, and under that we're gonna put whatever uh, the other font was, right? So we're gonna say fresh baked breads and muffins, $5. Okay, this new. Alright, fresh baked breads, BREADS, fresh baked breads and muffins, $5. And we're gonna go below that. We're gonna say granola with fruits. I'm gonna go below that and we're gonna say natural cereal of honey, oats, raisins, and dates. And we're gonna put it, since it's New York, we're gonna put $10. Everything's expensive. Alright. And we're gonna put waffle, French waffle, and it's gonna be the vanilla flavored French waffle is gonna be $8. Alright, that looks good. But we gotta put this for T40. $45. And I'm gonna make this 25. Oops. 25. Alright. Actually looking pretty good. Let me check. Alright, I'm recording. Since my mom interrupted, I gotta put it in Adobe Premiere Pro, cut everything and make it look better. It's okay. She didn't know I was recording. Alright, let's go and get some coffee. Coffee sounds great. Actually, coffee sounds great right now. I need coffee. It's like 11:37. I need my coffee. Does the image look squashed? No, it doesn't look squashed, but still, I'm gonna put a little bit so it doesn't look squashed. And okay. I'm done. I'm just tweaking everything right now because website is almost about to get finished after we just write down the footer, and we're probably gonna be done. New footer. Whoa, what happened with you, Mister? Why you being dumb? Don't be dumb, okay? Don't be dumb. I'm actually really happy with what it turned out, right? Like, I'm really happy. And we're gonna put the footer right here. We're gonna call it footer. Put it in footer. Footer. Whoa. Chill out. Footer. 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 Why am I even saying this shit? Footer. Said it again. Alright, what can we put in footer? We can say 2020, right? 2020. The Cafe New York. The Cafe New York. You can also get us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, right? Alright guys, we're actually done with the website right now. Yeah, we're done with the website. I don't know, what do you guys think? Please let me know down below in the comment section what do you guys think about the website. Please, I really want to know. And leave a like, subscribe, and please let me know how is it. If you watched the video, please let me know. Thank you, and I'm gonna stop the video right now.